Chief Graham was on duty one night in the town of Newville, where he served as the chief of police, and another motorist came through town speeding. Chief got in his car and was going to try to pull him over and give him a ticket for speeding. However, when he got in his car and turned the lights on, the motorist sped up and fled. Unfortunately, as Chief Graham pursued him, both of the vehicles were involved in a wreck at high speed. The suspect's vehicle flipped multiple times. Chief Graham lost control and ran off into a ditch and hit an embankment and was severely injured. He suffered multiple injuries to his arms, to his legs, broken ribs. He was hurt very bad, internal injuries.
Well, his whole total left side was broken up. His left femur, he had his hand, except from the holding of the steering wheel, would crack that bone in his left hand. And his whole left side, and he had pins and in his left side, left femur. And he's totally disabled now. He's walking, but you have to balance himself with the cane.
We represented Chief Graham in several areas. First of all, Chief Graham had a motor vehicle accident claim, a personal injury claim against the other driver for the other driver's negligent and reckless conduct. And we pursued that claim against the other driver. We also pursued a claim against Mr. Graham's uninsured motorist coverage that he had with his own personal insurance. And we also pursued a workers' compensation claim on behalf of Chief Graham. We managed all of those claims at one time, and we made sure that Chief Graham's rights against the other driver were protected. We also made sure that Chief Graham's rights against his own insurance company were protected. And then finally, we made sure that Chief Graham's rights from his workers' compensation claim were protected.
Well, he was very well compensated, and all his medical bills was paid. And he still is under the doctor's care, and they still continue to be paid, his medical bills, his medicine, and he's very well, very well compensated.
Early on, when we met with Chief Graham's family, we made sure they knew that we were going to take care of them. And at every point in the process, we made sure they were taken care of, that we followed through on that promise that we made to them.
And I feel like, that was a bond placed there, and it wasn't about their finances. That's good. And it wasn't just about, to me, it wasn't just about a name, because I looked at the client relationship, that it's supposed to be very personal, And I feel like that with Mr. Driggers. I feel confident with him.
Chief Graham's family and I developed, I think, a special bond. I got to know each of his children. I still speak with them on other matters at times, and I keep up with them, and they keep up with me. And I really have enjoyed getting to know his family. They are really a special group of people, and getting to know them, I can see that they had a good father who raised them and a good mother who raised them in the right way, and you can see that in the children that they raise. And I've just had a special bond with them. And we made sure, not only because we represented them in a legal matter, but we made sure that from a personal standpoint that they were taken care of. And I enjoyed doing that for them, and they were very appreciative, and I appreciated that because they could see that we really did go to bat for him. And I enjoyed, again, getting to know their family.